welcome everybody to Dhanbad Club. The Dhanbad Club was established in the year 1918 by erstwhile British rulers of India. But after independence, there was a time when the club lost its glory. For about 30 years, the club was closed, and then about 15 years back, it was revived by the influential people of Dhanbad. At present, we have about 600 members. Most of the who's who of Dhanbad are our members. We have a lot of sports facility like tennis, badminton. We have a standard size swimming pool, well-equipped gym, 2 restaurants, 1 bar, family lounge. We conduct different programs all the year round, for example, during festival seasons. Moreover, we have sports competition all around the year, and besides that, we are also very actively involved in various social activities in and around Dhanbad also. From the beginning, actually, it was all manual setup, and we had registers for each and everything. But later on, we had software from sourced from a local guy here, and it was actually very point to point. It was not integrated between different facilities like the club, the restaurant, the bar, and to retrieve data, to check previous day's menu, we had to ask somebody to do it. It used to take a lot of time. There was no consistency in the results, and we had to confirm it manually ourselves later on. But later on, somebody suggested us Rans Labs, and specifically they asked us to try Fusion Resto product, and we had actually installed it about 3 years ago, and we had used it for 2 years. All our billing clerks were very happy with it. Due to some reason, it was discontinued for 1 year, and it was actually on the demand of the billing clerk that it was so easy to handle for them. All the billing procedure was very easy to reproduce, and at the end of the day, we could get a detailed account very easily. So this year it has been installed, we are using it, and we are very happy with it, especially now since we have all our computers on LAN. We can go through the details from whichever point we want. Various passwords have been designated to the person who are handling the software, so there is no manipulation of the data, and it is very easy. At one glance, we can see the details in the evening, and we can carry it forward later on. At the end of the year also, during the accounting process, I think it will be very easy to do that for different departments. The specific benefit I would like to point out regarding your product is, as far as the billing clerks are concerned, they are very happy for the ease of use, the intuitiveness of the software, the way it can handle different tables. And from our side, as far as the management committee is concerned, the most important benefit is everything is easily accessible at a glance. We are able to keep tab of everything which is happening. We are very happy to have Rans Laboratory product, and it has been a marvelous association between our club and Rans Lab, and we are very happy with your product, especially the service team which is there in case of any kind of problem, in case of any difficulty from the billing clerk side, from our side. They are very quick to respond. The product is very intuitive, and thank you, and we hope to continue this association for long. Thank you so much.